right, folks, here we have a pressure washer that has been converted to a jetter. Now it will still work as a pressure washer. We'll be using it probably next week or so. Pressure washing a couple of houses, a couple of decks. But what we have done here is we have converted it so that it can be used as a jetter. And see, this is where the jetter hose will stay. That's a General Pump reel. I think I got that from Northern Tool. I could be mistaken. Anyway, so I mounted it on here just a little bit ago. All right, and then I've got my jetter hose right here. It's an awesome jetter hose. This thing will take up to 5,000 psi. Now this is what is this? A 4,200 psi, 4 gallons per minute. So 4,200 psi at 4 gallons per minute. Now you don't need just such a great psi. What's important is those gallons per minute. And with a jetter, I like to at least have 4 gallons per minute. And 4 gallons a minute is good for us because you start getting 5 and 8, 6 gallons a minute, whatever. Then you're taking a chance of the home, wherever you're jetting from, wherever you're pressure washing from, you're taking a chance of that water source not being able to deliver 5, 6, 8, 10 gallons per minute. So 4 gallons per minute is perfect for me. And that's it. Anyway, you can see what I've done here. Don't have to explain a whole lot to you. I can't take that off. I've got the water on. But we've got the quick disconnect there, as you can see. That's it. So however your pressure washer is set up, however your hose for your jetter is set up, you'll just have to modify it. I went from 3/8 to a 1/2 inch, and then boom. Got the male adapter here. That's it. I mean, it's just that simple. It's as simple as getting a jetter hose and then modifying the end of it however you have to do it. And depending on what size hose you get, what type of hose, where you get it from, and all that. But that's it. It's just as simple as getting a hose. Anyway, so I got the water on. We're going to go check out the jetter. Now, this jetter tip that you're about to see has been modified by, me. I modify everything, and sometimes it doesn't turn out good. But anyway, so the jetter tip has been modified. I've drilled and made a couple of holes a little bigger than what they are supposed to be so that lots of water flow comes out of there and that it doesn't hurt the pump. Now, this will still be used as a pressure washer. Now, I don't know if I'll hook this up. I don't know if I'll wrap this around and work on this and get this where it'll just hook up there and then hook my jetter hose up to here. I really don't care to do that. I think I'm going to cut this hose off, just do away with it, and just roll it up. You're best to unroll that jetter hose when you go to use it. Your best bet is to unroll it all the way and then hook it up and then use it. But it needs to be unrolled all the way. It just does better. Anyway, so let's see, folks. I'll put that choke on just for a minute. Let's see what we got. Well, whoa. here. Oh. Well, that's not quite as strong as it was earlier. All right, let's check this out, see what's going on here. All right, so here we are back, and this is it basically. I don't want to get wet, but it keeps going in the dirt so you can't really see. Let's see, let's pull her out. All right, there we go. So we've got 3 shooting back and 1 shooting forward. And so the 3 shooting back, of course, pull it up in the pipe, and then the 1 shooting forward kind of digs out the clog. But that's it. See, it'll kind of just feed itself up in there. Well, that's it. You can see just how good it would clean a pipe. Turning a pressure washer into a jetter, so easy to do. Anyway, let's go check this out up here. Alright folks, so I did turn the pressure up a little bit. The pressure was down. I turned it up a little. You can see that one jet shooting forward. And of course, shooting backwards. That's a little better. Whoa. You can see how that would clean a pipe super good. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you.